Welcome back to another jaw-dropping day in the courtroom. Today, we have Mark Anthony Pettis facing the revocation of his probation in a case tied to injury of the elderly. 2 years in prison hang in the balance, and trust me, this hearing gets intense. From plea bargains to courtroom warnings that hit like a hammer, you're about to witness a legal roller coaster. Buckle up, because by the end, you'll be asking yourself, was justice served? Or was this a last chance slipping away?
It's calling 2024 CR 2594, State versus Mark Anthony Pettis. Can I have parties announced?
Rick Bainey for the state of Texas.
Michael Dwight Goins as a defendant, Your Honor.
And are you Mark Anthony Pettis?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your
Did you
Honor.
review the document entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Mark Anthony Pettis who was placed on community supervision in 2024 CR 2594 for the offense of injury to the elderly bodily injury on May 28, 2024 for a term of 3 years? Is that you?
Yes.
All right, state.
Yes, Your Honor. Violation of condition number 41. On or about the 14th day of August, 2025, in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant, Mark Anthony Pettis, did then and there fail to comply with the rules and regulations of the felony drug court and violation of condition number 41.
How do you plead to that, true or not?
Let's pause for a second because this is the turning point. By pleading true to violating his probation terms, Pettis essentially hands the judge the power to enforce the full 2-year prison sentence. No trial, no long debate, just immediate accountability. This is a huge moment legally. Probation violations like this often come with zero tolerance, especially in cases involving family violence. What do you think? Should the judge stick to the full sentence? Or was there room for leniency here?
True.
True, Your Honor. State will waive the other violation, Your Honor.
No objection, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition 41, the court could find it true, grant the motion, and sentence you up to 2 years in the prison?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 41?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find condition of violation number 41 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor.
Yes.
That is to revoke the defendant's probation and sentence him to 2 years TDC.
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right. Are you asking the court to follow that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes.
All right. The court will grant the motion, sentence you to 2 years in the prison, give you credit for any time served. There's an affirmative finding of family violence, and there's to be no contact with Juan Pettis,
Yes, ma'am.
and there's to be no residing with minors.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement and you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Because this is a felony conviction and an affirmative finding of family violence, you're not allowed to own or possess any weapons or ammunition. If you have a question over what that is, you'll need to speak to an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, we can go off the record. You're going to have to do better. Otherwise,
Wow, did you catch that? The judge isn't just sentencing Pettis, giving him a final warning about his future. No more violations. No more excuses. Judges see patterns, and she knows repeat offenders often come back through these same courtroom doors. It's a rare moment where the law meets a blunt reality check. How many chances should someone get before the system stops showing mercy?
Hello. Good. How are you?
all right, how are you doing?
A lot better. Working on a lot of things. So.
Well, thank you for dressing appropriately for court. Thank you.
Judge, I asked for a court summary in addition to the supplemental report, so you'll find the court summary a couple of pages back from that supplemental report. We're here today, Judge. To put it just simply, Miss Medina needs help.
Mhm.
We know that there's a drug issue and mental health issues, and she needs help.
Okay.
Supplemental report kind of gives you an outline of what's been going on. I believe the The court summary will give a little bit more information.
Mhm.
Um, after you've reviewed it, I do recommend possibly a felony drug court referral.
Mhm.
Um, and if not accepted into felony drug court, going with the recommendations that the officer has.
All right. Could I,
Miss,
could I see the file? Do you have a file? Is she's not on deferred adjudication. What's her underlying on this?
2 years.
All right. Oh, then I don't need the file.
I do start a new job tomorrow. Just want to throw that out there as well. And I have reached out to sober living communities as well to just like very much. I am wanting help, so I have 2 different places. I have, like I said, the job I started for ready to work with the orientation for college to get a higher degree. Um, the job I'm gonna get has benefits. I'm finishing IOP with Miss Mitchell. Um, I'm working with JG Wentworth to fix my credit and get that going because I need to buy a house for my daughter. The sober living, like I said, it just looks like a good idea to have that support system and team that I don't have. So I'm looking towards that. I'm waiting some parenting classes that I'm looking for still actively. I own the Breath Ledger, but that's because I haven't had a steady job. But like I said, I'm starting this one tomorrow. That's $16.50 an hour with benefits and stability that I currently need. So, and I've been attending any meetings and just kind of trying to get things in track. It's just I need that extra support when I reach out to sober living.
Okay, so here's the thing. I appreciate that you understand that you have issues that you need help with.
Right.
We're trying to help you. That's why I set this for a compliance hearing, right?
Right.
So what I've discovered is sometimes people can't write their own plans
Right. Yes.
because if they
It's
could,
not working.
we wouldn't even be here, right?
Right. Exactly.
So I think the best place for you is I'm going to do a referral to felony drug court. Felony drug court, you need to make sure you meet all of their meetings. You need to be honest with them.
Of course.
Now, everything that you told me that you're working on,
Yeah.
they will be able to help you with that.
Okay. Great.
They'll be able to help you with sober living. If there's a credit issue, they have a course where they have somebody who will come in, talk to you to help you with that.
Yeah. That's my goal. I want to buy my daughter a house. Like I'm really trying to take. Like I want to. But when I went to the mental health assessment you required yesterday, I think it was. Or the day
Mhm.
before, I told him, he was like, "Oh, so you want help?" And I'm like, "I actually do want help." So it's just been hard.
Sure.
Yeah, it's
So-
been hard, but I'm ready.
All right, that's awesome. And we're going to do what we can to help you because probation wants you to be successful. I want you to be successful.
I also do, for my daughter and for you as well. You've been, I know you've been tough on me because you see it in me, what I should be doing. So I appreciate that, and I'm just want to be able to, fulfill that.
All right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a referral to felony drug court. Probation, if for any reason felony drug court does not accept her, if you can have her brought back here, and then we're going to work on other things. And if you could send,
I would like to ask if the felony drug court that expedites.
yes.
Yes.
All right. So we'll see if felony drug court can expedite this as well.
Right. Yeah, I understand.
So maybe see if she has transportation. Maybe if they're available to see her today or something.
Yeah, I don't have public. I use public transportation. Like I said,
Well, I can tell you, felony drug court. It is downtown near the Bear County Jail.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, I can. Yeah. But like I said, the job that I'm going to start is going to be from Tuesday to Saturday, so that's Sunday, Monday.
So here's the thing, with regards to employment, just let them know about that. But your main focus should be your sobriety. Okay.
Of course, yeah. And I feel like having the job will keep me, like it always has kept me more like, just not even worried about anything else. So.
All right. So we're going to do a referral to felony drug court. And I'll ask that it be expedited.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
You're welcome, and continue to reach out, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
And that wraps up today's case. Mark Anthony Pettis heads to prison for 2 years, probation revoked, with clear orders, no weapons, no contact with the victim, and strict conditions moving forward. This case highlights how quickly probation violations can spiral into full prison terms, and how judges balance second chances with public safety. If you found this courtroom drama as eye-opening as we did, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more jaw-dropping courtroom breakdowns every week.